Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the new AutoMix feature on Apple Music with iOS 26. Step 1. Make sure that your iPhone or iPad is updated to iOS 26. Step 2. Open the Apple Music app and go to any playlist or DJ mix. Step 3. Tap the More options or the three dots icon and look for Enable AutoMix. Step 4. Once enabled, AutoMix will seamlessly transition songs with beat matching and fade-ins. It mimics a real DJ set. Step 5. You can control AutoMix settings by going to Settings, then Music, then Playback. From there, choose the transition duration, filter style, and volume leveling that you want. Step 6. To disable AutoMix, simply go back to the More options or the three dots icon and tap Disable AutoMix. This is great for parties or chill sessions. AutoMix adds a smooth listening experience on your mobile. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.